One chicken sandwich combo coming right up.
Wow, that looks so yummy. Hey, sir.
Paying customers only. Enjoy your meal. You again.
Hi. Spicy chicken sandwich, please.
This one? It's $6.99.
That's no problem.
Real cash only.
I'm taking this.
Not on my watch. Whoa! This way.
I think I lost him. Perfect. He won't come in here. Gah.
Now where'd she go? Weird. The ladies' room. Which stall? Hello, handsome. I'm coming! Hey, open up!
Oh no! It's over!
I know. Time to come out. Huh? Where'd she go? I'm at a loss.
Hee hee! Up here, silly! Hey, don't forget to flush! Gotcha!
Wait, no! Well, is anybody working here? Who am I paying?
That was close! Oh boy! Almost there. Whoa! Sorry!
Who are you? You work for me now. Welcome to the team! See ya.
What? This isn't good!
Hey there! She took my job. Hey, don't forget to add ketchup. Employee of the month? No way! Time to take things into my own hands. She won't even know who I am! Showtime! Seriously? Hi!
Oh, what would you like?
This one. And this too! A biscuit. Some fries too. These two. And dip. More chicken.
Uh-huh. Okay, enough. I've got some major work to do. Let's get frying. Woo, nice. Let's see. Gah! Too hot! Ow, ow, ow!
You all right?
Huh? Just dancing. I love frying chicken.
Here's my chance. Let's spice it up. Okay, that's enough. Oh.
That was close. Time for the fries.
Hey, Claire.
Come on. Oh, sorry.
You must be new at this. Give me a soda, will you?
I didn't forget. One large soda coming right up.
How about some soap? Here you go.
Whoa! Oh no, the drink.
Huh? Hey! Oh, man, that's cold. How dare you? I'm soaked! It's all your fault!
Hey, stop yelling! Everything's falling! Ugh! Here's your chicken.
Feed me! Hey, this isn't bad. Wait, the spice. Help! Actually, it's kinda nice. Thanks.
Huh? Oh, okay. I guess I'm done then. Order 5 is ready. Hey, what's going on? Ow! That's annoying. No, my arms are out of control. It's like they have a mind of their own. Huh? What's the... Whose hand is that? Ah! Huh? You okay? Ugh.
Coming?
Ah! Ah! Sorry about that. Feed me. Thanks. I can help you. Uh-huh. It's food time, baby. Starting with fresh ingredients. And a sharp knife, of course. Looks pretty good. That's fresh. This is gonna be the best sandwich ever. We'll see. Oh yeah, cheese too. Can't forget ketchup. I'm waiting.
Me too.
Looks good enough to eat. Huh? Ow! No! Ugh! I've had enough. What's taking so long? Oh, sorry. What? I said sorry! Oh! Wait, that was weird. How'd that get there? Huh? Oh well. Hello there! Hi, what's that say? Is that chicken? Okay, a chicken sandwich? Oh dear. This one has cheese. Okay then. Just use this one. See? It's closer. I see that.
Thanks for the ride.
What about this one? Interesting. Uh-huh. Wait. Oh, such a pretty face. Does this come with a drink?
Employee of the month? Whatever. Ha ha! Here's the right one. Much better.
What's taking so long? Seriously.
Come on, make up your mind. Yeah, lady.
Okay, let's speed it up.
Oh, I can't believe it worked. That chicken looks so good. A wing for the road. Oh, yeah! Nice. Maybe just one more. Haha!
What's all that giggling?
Huh? So close.
What the?
Uh-oh.
Give me that!
It's mine!
No!
I deserve it.
No, you don't.
Gah! Gimme! Oh, man! The chicken!
Oh, no, you don't!
Oh, no!
Hey, watch the glasses!
Both of you, I've had enough. I want you both gone. Now stay out. All right, who wants chicken? Uh-oh. Oh, boy. Actually, I could use some help. Please, come back. Really?
Okay,
You handle this.
your hat.
Fixed.
Let's do this.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
Have a nice day.
Nice. Wow, nice work. You're my star employees.
Wow. Awesome.
Alrighty. Who did this? Strange, who would do that? Okay, there we go.
Wow, we did it.